Hi everybody, welcome back. I have got a little haul here. Everybody's doing 4th of July and I'm like, it's end of April and I'm a little behind the times, but I am getting there. So I made a list. I actually got out my 4th of July box way over there. See the blue one? And it has a lot of my patriotic stuff in there. I forgot Memorial Day was the end of May. So yeah, you're going to get everything ready. So I'll leave this stuff up until end of July, into August, and then I'll start doing fall stuff. So in the meantime, we've got, I made a list. I'm famous for lists, all kinds of lists. And so I wrote out my rooms that I usually put stuff. I don't do a whole lot in my the rest of the house. I do the living room somewhat. I'm going to do more this year. And then the dining room I do in the kitchen area and then my porch. But it's because we own a business and people come to the house. So the dining room is right there when you come in the house. So I want to make sure that that's pretty. And then you do see into when you come in, you do see into my living room and you do see into the kitchen a little bit. I don't do a whole lot to the kitchen. I have a tray, three-tier tray. I do have some things on the cupboards. I don't know if I'm going to change that though, because I like what's there. We'll see if I change it or not. And then I do need to still find the patriotic towels, the decorative ones. I usually put the decorative one on my dishwasher because I tell everybody not to use it if I hang it on my stove and everybody uses it. So I'll just put a plain red one there so everybody can use it. And then in the dining room, I have my hutch, my baker's shelves that I don't use for baking stuff. It's just for decorating stuff. And I have a ladder, a little ladder in there. And on top of my hutch, I have a little farmhouse. I got flowers in it. So I kept the box and threw away the real flowers. So I want to do something in there this time that's on top. I want to do something in there. And then the living room, because we don't use our fireplace in the summertime. So I wanted to get one of those flags that are half round. So I found one that's going to be in here. I found one of those I wanted to do. And I need to decorate the top of the fireplace and stuff. I have a tray up there and I want to do a couple more things up there. So, and there's a couple of things I want to make. I saw this lady, I can't remember, I didn't write down the YouTube channel, but she did a ribbon hanger, where it looks like ribbon coming down, and she put a little piece of bandana on the end of it so it looks like a flag. I really like that, but I didn't know where I'd put it. And then on my doors, like my kitchen closet, it's in the kitchen, but it's where the coats are hung and where I keep my mop and all that stuff. I have a hanger on there. I usually put something there every holiday. And then the back of my door, front door, I usually put something. And I usually hang something outside. Now outside I have a hook, but it has from Valentine's Day, I have a heart, Pipberry heart out there. So I'm thinking about making a big one for patriotic and leave that out there for the summer. Out there, and then I have one that I can put on the office door, and then that bathroom door. So there are 1, 2, 3 for inside and 1 outside, so 4. And I know I have a couple, and I'm just gonna have to see what I gotta do. So I made a little list of stuff, and I do that every holiday too. I'll kind of go through. So I went to my Family Dollar because that's what's closest to me is that. I did start picking up some 4th of July things for Ariel. I usually get her these bracelet things, and I'll put them away. And then I usually get bracelets, the little bracelets. And there's a bunch in here. How many are in here? 8. There's 8 of them. And you can intertwine them to make a bigger thing. But I usually get these. And I usually get some, those pop-it things. And sparklers. But I haven't gone over to Dollar Tree yet to get those. And I'll get those. That's what I get every year for her. So this year, I found this at, it's only $1. I'm sure they probably have these at Dollar Tree too. I don't know. But I got one of these big ones, and it's lined on the back. It's plastic. It's kind of neat. But I thought I would put this like on that floral thing box in the dining room maybe. Put that on there. I got a couple of different ones so I can decide what I want to do. I did pick up a blue bandana, $1. So I just wanted to have stuff so when I'm ready to make it, I can. So I found this, and this is at a Dollar Tree too. I've seen people haul it for Dollar Tree, but I had got it at my, so there's that. That's cute. So instead of doing a wreath, I can just hang this or something. So I got one of those, and I love this one. And I got this one. So I can hang these instead of doing a wreath. I can put these, but I want to decorate the mantle, so I'm thinking I might use one of these for the mantle. Here is it's called a bunting, $3. So, and I just have to get how to hang it. It's got little thing. So I'm going to put that under the fireplace, because I really like that idea. And then a couple of these little ones. They look just like the big one, but they're little. And I got this one, USA. It's so pretty. I don't know if I want to keep it like this or take it apart. I don't know. I haven't decided. And there's glitter everywhere. So I might incorporate this in the tier tray. And I have a tray on my kitchen table that I may use. And then I got this one. This is what I might break up for the tier tray. I don't know. That's pretty though. I got that one. So there's my stuff. And I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So I'll put it in here and I'll put it over with my box. To put upstairs. And we'll figure out how, and I'll do I'll do a tour when I'm done putting all this stuff out. I still gotta figure out outside. I was gonna come down here and go through my flowers, because I thought I had some flowers to put outside. I don't do well with real flowers. So I have a bucket outside and I put fake ones in there. So I gotta see what I have to what I gotta pick up. So that's it. We shall see y'all again soon.